phone. How about this shirt now?
I like it. This is good.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Akshita, the director of Daily Chaos, and the reason our reels have transitions.
Hi, I'm Vishnu, the tripod setter, the coffee bringer, full-time husband, and a part-time reel model. Watch us exclusively on
Hashtag couple goals unfiltered with Red.
Ready to play the compatibility game?
Always. When you told your mom about me within a month, did you actually think she'd believe you?
I didn't think anything. I just wanted to share something that was actually meaning something. I said, hey, I saw this girl and I really like her. So I think I want to get married to her. And her answer was like very surprising. Like, yeah, really? Show me a picture. And she saw your picture. I'm like, yeah, this is my daughter-in-law.
Wow. Okay. What's the most unexpected thing about being married to me?
Boom.
I think how cool you are with my whole family. Like, it's like you were tailor-made for my family. I didn't expect that. I thought usually it'll take time for a girl to adjust in a guy's family, and then you adjusted better than I can adjust with my own family, I think. that I didn't expect, yeah.
Me and my mother-in-law are best friends.
Yeah.
What would you name our love story if it were a book?
Wow. So, summer of 96.
Because I was born in
Yeah, that just came to me.
Wow. And he actually called me Summer for the
Yeah.
longest time.
I saved her contact number as Summer for the longest
With a
time.
flower. It was cute.
What was going through your mind when I said I love you on our third date? I know what went.
Oh my god. And
The way I said it.
the way he said it, oh my god. Like, he dropped me and he sent me a voice note. And he was just like very, very casual, like, hey, so I'm gonna drop my mom, my relatives have come, and something like that. He kept on, the voice note was like 4 minutes long. Like, and yeah, alright, chalo, bye, I love you. And that was like the first time. And my message was, did you just ... If we had a relationship rule book, what would be rule number 1 according to you?
Pick up your clothes.
No, but you could write so many rules. No, I think the rule number 1 is always listen to your wife. Because your wife gives the
Yeah,
best
actually,
advice.
sorry. I take it back. Rule number 1, listen to her. Yes.
Moving on to the next segment, it's called as Truth and Dare.
Okay.
Truth now. When was the last time you kissed and who initiated it?
Me, I think just before she went for a bath.
Yeah.
Who said I love you last and why?
Oh, that's also me. Always me.
What's the most recent fight you had and what was it about?
No, we didn't have a fight. Last 2 weeks.
There was a
ago,
fight only, no?
What was a fight?
That we...
You being angry with me is not called a fight.
fight.
Have you ever snooped through their phone, your partner's phone? If yes, what did you find?
Always. We
I
both...
never, I have snooped with your phone.
you... Please.
Have I?
Please.
I think I've
Please.
gone to Zomato maximum.
Moving on to the dare. If you were breaking up with your partner, how would you do it? Enact and show.
You won't have to show up. I won't break up. You will only break up with me.
I'll be extremely dramatic.
You have to do it.
See, I think it's not working. Go!
I knew the day would come.
Serious. We had the best time together, and I think it had to end it here. And we should see what's in it for us separately. You have to be sad about it.
Finally, it's happening.
Okay, propose her or say I love you to her in Marathi. Something sweet about her.
Okay, I'll say that, okay? Oos आहे गोड, बर्फ आहे थंड, अक्षता समोर माचा, सोना पण लोखंड. What it means is sugar is sweet, ice is cold, and compared to Akshata, even gold is bold. Something like that.
Post a photo with your partner on Instagram with the caption, "We are parting ways on a good note."
Oh no!
Oh, no!
We can't do that.
No,
We can't do that. We
We
cannot
will-
do
You
that.
can delete. Okay, let's do it only for the next half an hour.
Can we do something else?
Yeah.
No.
I think
Can I post Can I post a picture of us?
Posting a picture of you is not a date, it's a routine for you guys. Okay, maybe just for the next 15 minutes, yeah?
Okay.
You're putting music on so. I'm so heartbroken. You're not doing that.
Hey, please.
No. There's like people with that. You're not putting that sad music. Yeah.
Okay, I posted it.
Okay. 3:49.
Okay, next up, the segment's name is called as hashtag your partner. First, Akshata. His Sunday mood in one hashtag.
Hashtag lazy.
The thing he says more often.
Hashtag sorry.
Hashtag right.
His dressing style.
Hashtag stylish.
And now, Vishnu, you need to hashtag your wife.
Okay.
Her film obsession in one hashtag.
Hashtag love stories.
Crime thrillers.
Yeah.
Her morning face in one hashtag.
Give me coffee.
Her wardrobe, one hashtag.
Messy.
Hashtag hundreds of dresses but nothing to wear.
Her reaction when the internet is down.
Babe.
Amazing. Lovely. Done with the segment. Hashtag could you keep a heart?
That's hashtag.
What?
People liked it. Like what
Someone
the
messaged me, love you. Oh! To know more about us,
Grab the latest 15th anniversary edition.